Bulavinaka, Talofa. Good afternoon from the HFC Bank Stadium in Suva, Fiji Islands. Fiji Warriors take on Manuma Samoa in the second match of the series. Chiwa Talimai Valangi, referee for this game, as Fijian Warriors get it underway. And we're straight out. Over the top, Ikanivere gets it.
Well, this is one of the changes for Samoa, the hooker, who's miscued that. And a gifted 5-pointer for Ikanivere.
Of Manuma Samoa at the back. Good work by Lemalu. And now Penny floating pass now. Here comes Joe Perez, a show of the ball. Now the pass, Fritz Rayasi. That's a try. Son of former flying Fijian fullback Felipe Rayasi. Fritz Rayasi has got Samoa level 5-all.
Well, this is a set-piece try. What a lovely try for the Samoans. Rayasi, he had a lot of work to do, but Jack Volavola, think he will be called out as well for this attempt on Rayasi.
A class above the rest. Penny, the number 12 for Manuma Samoa. Samoa drill it downfield. Rakuro. Volavola getting back. Rakuro. Oh, Rakuro breaks the tackle. He's got men outside in support. Infield trying to keep it alive, and Kenny Vosailangi.
If this is awarded, it will be the try of the match as well. This was from Vota. Did he? Oh yes, it still play on. Vosailangi. Ooh, what a catch as well from Vosailangi. Look at this. Oh! It's all clear from that angle. Vosailangi with just inches to work with.
Rakuro's break certainly met it. Manuma Samoa will look back at the defensive error and they will curse that. Vota, great vision, and Vosailangi tiptoeing to stay in, and then the finish, beautiful. Piece of magic from the Fijian Warriors. And they hit the lead. Lautaimi, the halfback. And they shifted Lemalu. Chance here and breaking away. Miracle Failangi.
The Samoans are not going to lie down and let these Warriors walk over them here this afternoon. Look at this. Missed tackle from Naito Kani. And a miracle of a ball as well.
Faletoi Penny, and he strikes that well, and that will take Manuma Samoa in front, 12 points to 10, to the delight of their fans. Lautaimi did well. Lemalu shifting. Good work by Miracle Failangi, and the 22-year-old Lauli Lions player who played for Samoa at the Commonwealth Games in Sevens in Birmingham. Ikanivere, this time Menimbi gets that, and he sets it up now well for the Warriors. Lulusini. No, he's got it now. Levi Natave, the loose head prop. Set up for the Fijian Warriors. Trying to muscle his way up, and I think the Warriors have got over. Try to Josefa Nasaroa, and the tight head prop has got the Fijian Warriors back in front, 15-12.
Natave, his prop partner from secondary school, took it closer to the line, and from there it was pure strength from Josefa Nasaroa, crashing over for the Warriors try. Well set up by Natave. The Warriors forwards working hard in the contact zone.
Lulusini, the halfback. Oh, they tip and go. What is that? That is a gift to Tavanga Kolena. Mistake by the Fijian Warriors.
Well, they are celebrating because they know it's a psychological advantage for them right there. The try to the fly half. You rightfully call that, Satish. It was a wrong call by the Warriors, and they've conceded a try as a result. Tauvanga Kolena, one of the men who's come in for Samoa today, and he's delivered the goods.
Oh, taking through the time, that is a try for Nasaroa, I think. A referee will want to check that. That was good work by Ekanivere. And Nasaroa head down and over he went with Mea Vanu trying to stop him but not able to. The tight head prop for Manu Samoa. And the battle won by the men wearing 3 in the white jersey for Fiji. Penny to kick off. And we're underway. Final 40 minutes of the Fiji Invitational Series, and Manuma Samoa claimed that kick well. Playing with 14 players with halfback Henry Lautaimi still in the sin bin. Kunavula just got a hand in there. Third minute of play. Second spell. Penny. And he's got that over. And Manuma Samoa strike first in the second spell with the penalty to Penny. It's 22 points all. Set up for Fijian Warriors. Lulusini turns it in for Nasaroa. It's Ilikimi Torosi rather. Good work by Torosi, the number 8. Lulusini looking for it. The penalty will come for the Warriors. And against Esene, the centre. Quick ball. Vota goes again. Now, here's an opportunity. Oh, back pass that time. Kandralevu, Naitokani. Can't get it away, but set up well for Lulusini. Numbers now for the Warriors. Eramimbava, infield pass is good. Kunavula, the flag is up.
Yeah, look out for his left foot there. There, he's got it. Was it simultaneous? Yes, he was already out. The ball was still in his hand before he released that pass to Kunavula.
The skipper, penalty. Warriors, Ekanivere goes right through, and Tevita Ekanivere.
Well, by Samoan standards, that's a soft try for them to concede, because he went all the way to the try line. They should have done better there, Samoa. Try and make the Warriors work for this try. But credit to Ekanivere as well. He got his body low, and with the support from Vu Kalo and the 2 other forwards, he managed to get his second of the afternoon as well, which means he's got 4 now in the series.
That try coming in the 14th minute of play. Tevita Ekanivere has been on song, the skipper. Jack Volavola. He puts it over. 29-22.
So both coaches out here to scout for the players and possibly stock up for the 2023 season as well, the Super Rugby Pacific season. Big Burn and his Moana Pacifica counterpart, Aaron Major, the former All Black inside centre.
Opportunity here for Fijian Warriors. Less than 12 minutes to play. Rambitu. And he's put that over. So 29th minute. It becomes 32-22. Fijian Warriors, Jonathan Sovasova. Sovasova. First touch, tip, go. Now, taken up that time by Manu. Sovasova gets it out. Good work by Atani. Picked up well by Johnny Nangiri. Very close to the try line as the Fijian Warriors look to make a statement and finish this off well. They plow over Emmanuel Manu. over for the try. And the Warriors make it 37-22. Good work that time by the Fijian Warriors, playing with power. And that is the final say in this game. Emmanuel Manu with the try. Rambitu with the conversion. It's all over. Fiji Warriors, 6-3 victory over Manuma Samoa. Fiji led 22-19 at halftime. Full time in this one. Fiji 39, Manuma Samoa 22.